What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ.
What's up with the YouTube, man? Y'all, thanks for tuning in, checking us out with the channel. You know, this video right here today, I'm gonna be coming at y'all, showing y'all how to try merge your CP with 0 inquiries, how we did it, you know, and a good way to do it. You know, it's a lot of ways out there, you know, to do it. Not all of them are wrong, you know. A lot of people tell you ways, well, when you get your CP and it's try merge, it already got like 3-4 inquiries on there. And it's a better way than that, but the person who you might have did it with might didn't know that way, or didn't understand that way, or didn't do it that way. But the way we gonna show you the way we would do it if we was you and you was doing one. So say if people give you your CP and you got your address, your phone number, your email address, everything you need, you just gotta get your Credit Karma started and get it try merge. This is what we would do to do it. 24-hour try merge, 0 inquiries, and you're good to go and get ready to the bag and run it up, make some investments, get on your feet, get your LLC, stuff like that. So let's get in the video, check us out. All right, so I'm gonna give you 5 steps you can do to merge your CP with no hard inquiries and getting Credit Karma experience and stuff like that. So the first thing you do is you come to Capital One pre-approval. Come to Capital One, you fill out all the information. Always select new card member. Next, you know, hit it, put in all your information, boom, boom, boom. Go to get pre-approved. You're gonna get denied. Okay, that's cool. Then you go to discover pre-approved. You fill out all the information, boom, 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 same thing. Your address, your telephone number, email, all this stuff you should already have when you got your CP. So you put your address, your birth date, everything you put on your CP when you did your CP, or whoever did your CP gave it to you. This is what you do, like gave you a CP that wasn't merged already. If they try merged it, I mean, I always would tell somebody, if you're gonna get one and you don't know the person, I wouldn't even say get the number. There's so many videos out there where they just showing you how to get the numbers. If you know how to do the numbers, then this is what you gotta do to get the profile in public records with 0 inquiries on it. Starting off, just a fresh blank profile. Because a lot of people are showing you ways, by the time you get your CP, it's blank, but you already got 3-4 inquiries. But back to the video. So you hit discover, boom, you fill out the information, boom, go to apply. It's going to get you denied, not in the system. You go to American Express pre-approval, same method. Fill out all the information, go all the way through, apply. They're going to deny you. But it's pre-approved, so you're getting denied, but you're getting denied for pre-approval. You're not getting denied where you're getting an inquiry and they telling you can't do it. They just saying you're not pre-approved for no American Express or no Discover or no Capital One. Then you come to Wells Fargo pre-approval. Same thing. You put out all the information. Same thing, you get denied, but you just got denied for the not the actual denial, just the one for you. They can't approve you for pre-approve you for any card. Then you go to Citibank pre-approval. Same thing, follow out the steps, boom. So by this time, you done did 5 pre-approval. So your information is floating in the bureaus real hard right now. And most people say, hey, right after that, you can go to Credit Karma, Experian, and open up an account, which is true. You can. A lot of people have done it. Me, I've done it. It go right through, boom. But to be on the safe side, and if I was doing it, what I would do is I would wait 24 hours. But while I'm in that 24 hours waiting for me to open up the Credit Karma and Experian, Wallet Hub, Chime, and all those type of good things, I'm doing public records, making it a little bit stronger. I'm doing the McDonald's public records. the Chick-fil-A public records, Walgreens, CVS, Shell. I'm doing my post office public records. I'm doing any kind of public records I can think about in those 24 hours. So when I come up and wake up in the morning and then go to open up my Credit Karma, then boom, my Credit Karma open up, my experiment open up. Now I'm ready to go. And then once you're ready to go, it's time to move on to the next stuff. But that's what I would do if I was doing it. And when I do it that way, when I'm just doing stuff, I always get the profiles very strong in public records, starting off easily, and 0 inquiries on my blank CP. So, and let me give y'all some more game. Say if you young, you just starting out with your credit profile, and you fresh out of 18, you don't got nothing on it, and you try to build, making it a little strong out there for yourself, you can run this same information on your regular profile and get it strong. So when you do go to apply, everything goes straight through and everything's liquidated just the way you want it set up. So that's how I would set the information up if I was young and I was just trying to figure out which way to set my credit profile up for it to be strongest to get the most funding. So you get all those 5 accounts: Capital One, Discover, American Express, Wells Fargo, Citibank, and you'll be good. And then 2, when you doing those, you realizing you just put your information with Citibank, you just put your information with Wells Fargo, you just put your information with American Express, you just put your information with Discover, you just put your information with Capital One. So as you build in your profile and it start getting stronger, those companies will start sending you emails and stuff for credit cards. So with that information, I'm gonna end the video. But hey, y'all like and subscribe, share, leave a comment, tell me what you think. We'll get back with you.
Yeah, what it do? Yeah, you know what it is? Yeah, MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so thrilled when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess